one chance I try to deliver. I've been trying not to shiver, but you got me drinking, come provide me a liver. I've been driving a little. Remember you told me you'd ride for a nigga? I really wanna forget her, but my emotions going up and down like a river. I've been dying to get her. I wish I was with her. I kiss her and never ever let her go. Never know she can take control of my soul, and I'll be forever blessed her. Be captured in the pressure. This whole time she been crying on my shoulder.
If we can get over the pain we're under, yeah. Try to get closer and cure the thunder, yeah. If the skies crash down and we let our tears run up, yeah. I'll keep holding on till the clouds have gone, yeah. We can cure the thunder. I'm holding on for the skies to finally clear, yeah. I'm holding on for life until you're here, yeah. If we await, the pain will disappear, yeah. We can't stop the tears, stop the tears, stop the tears, yeah. If we can get over the pain we're under, yeah. Try to get closer and cure the thunder, yeah.
summer track. On the top, on the low, where we get that? Spit a flow and you know it's the Fat Mac. You can feel it in your car or the clubs. They gon' love it from the stars to the mud. Some people say the flow's so sick. Let's get